The average AC EMF and AC current both are 2 by pi times of their peak values. Now what about root mean square value? Root mean square, shortcut R M S, root or mean M square, RMS value of AC EMF and AC current. The root mean square of AC EMF and AC current both are 1 by root 2 times of their peak value. 1 by root 2 times of their peak values. Now, how we can get it? First, what is the mathematical expression for ERMS? E square dt, it is a square, mean square in a time period and root. This is the mathematical expression for the root mean square. How we can write? Integral E square dt limits 0 to t by dt 0 to capital T. Means this is RMS value in a time period and whole power half. We know the value of E naught sin omega t. Dt limits 0 to t, integral limits by integral 0 to t dt whole power half. Otherwise root you can take. Open the bracket E0 square sin square omega t dt by integral 0 to t dt whole power of. If we can simplify, we get the ERMS is equal to E naught by root 2. Means ERMS is 1 by root 2 times of its peak value. 1 by root 2 value is 0.707. 1 by root 2 value is 0.707. And similarly, we want to derive the root mean square of AC current. The mathematical expression is same, but instead of E we take I. Instead of E you take I. Instead of E naught you take I naught. Again you can simplify. The root mean square of AC current is 1 by root 2 times of its peak value. Means ACMF and AC current both root mean square values are 1 by root 2 times of their peak values. And these two equations are very important. There is a chance to get a problem based on this. In the examination, they may be give the peak value of ICMF and AC current. Chance to ask, find the average ACMF, RMS ACMF. Otherwise, average AC current and RMS AC current. Average is how many times? 2 by pi times. RMS is how many times? 1 by root 2 times. But in these two, which is greater? Average is greater, RMS is greater. Average is 0.638 times. RMS is 0.70 times. That's why RMS value is greater than average value. That's why they may be asked the question based on these average and RMS for the examination under 2 marks. Okay, these are the RMS and average values. Now, let us take resistor. The resistor is connected to the AC source or generator, like wave symbol. This is a wave symbol. This is the symbol for the generator. This is a symbol for generator or AC source. When AC source is connected to the resistor, what happened? This is the resistor. We know the AC source value E is equal to E0 sin omega t. And in this article, we want to calculate what is the, how much the AC current in the resistor, how much the AC current in the resistor, and what is the phase difference between AC current and AC EMF, that we want to calculate. Now, take a source of AC EMF connected to the resistor. We know the Ohm's law. I is equal to E by R. What is the E value? E naught sin omega t. Then we can write I is equal to I naught sin omega t. How we can write this? Here I naught is taken as E naught by R. E naught by R is equal to I naught. That's why I is equal to I0 sin omega t. Okay, now take a phase diagram. ACMF has which nature? Sine wave nature. Why? E is equal to E0 sin omega t. What is I? I is equal to I0 sin omega t. So, same wave we will get. But is there any difference? Yes. Here I naught is equal to how much? E naught by R. Means E naught is divided by R. That's why I naught value. I naught is peak value of AC current is less than the peak current of ACMF. That's why this is the peak value of ACMF, this is the peak value of AC current. Same equation, sin omega t sin omega, that's the same diagram, but the peak values are different. That's why we can write from phase diagram, the phase difference phi between ACMF and AC current. Between ACMF and AC current is 0, there is no difference. There is no difference in phase. That's why from phase diagram the phase difference between ACMF and AC current is 0. It means both are lies in the same phase. Both are lies in the same phase, but peak value of AC current is less than peak value of ACMF. Okay? When the generator is connected to the resistor, what happened? The current passing through the resistor, but the phase of ACMF and phase of AC current is 0, means the phase difference between ACMF and AC current is 0. Why? Both are lies in the same phase, but the peak value of ACMF and AC current are not same. But which is greater? The peak value of ACMF is greater than the peak value of AC current. What is the AC current? Peak value I naught is equal to E naught by R.